Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. If you are an Oppo user, then watch this video till end, because I am going to tell you some very useful features of Oppo which you don't know before. Let's start the video. The first tip is about assistive touch. You have probably seen assistive touch in iPhones, but there is feature of assistive touch in Oppo smartphones as well. To enable it, go to Notification Panel and here tap on Assistive Ball, and your Assistive Touch button will be activated. You can use it to check recent tabs, and you can also close any app by tapping on it. The second feature is Kids Mode. To enable Kids Mode, open Notification Panel and tap on Kids Space icon. Now you have entered Kids Space. When you give mobile to your kid after enabling this, then your kid can only use apps which are added to this Kids Space. To add apps in Kids Mode, go to Settings, search Kids Space, here you can add apps you want. Moving towards third one, this is One Tap Lock. If you want to lock your mobile in one tap, go to Notification Panel and tap on this one tap icon, and your mobile will be locked by only one tap. The fourth trick is about tap to speak words by enabling this feature. When you tap on any word, the phone speaks that word. Go to Settings, then Additional Settings, and then open Accessibility. And here, tap on Select to Speak and turn it on. Now when you tap on any word while browsing or reading anything, your mobile will speak that word. It's a very cool feature. The last one is about auto captions for any video you are watching on Oppo Mobile. To turn on captions, go to Settings, then Additional Settings, then Accessibility. Scroll down and here click on Captions and turn it on. There are also different options like select a language, text size and caption style, etc. So that's it for the tips and tricks of Oppo smartphones. I hope these tricks help you a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one.